All right, well, it's time to take the mast out. Gonna be fun. All them wires gotta come up through that hole. And we gotta go. I'll show you what I did outside. So we got most of the standing rigging down from the back there. And we got more hanging here. And these guys. And we got the force stays down and all the halyards loose, and I think we got all the pins out on the remaining standing rigging. And I'm about to go get the guy. And then they'll come with the giant crane and hook up to this thing and take it out of there, and then we'll be able to look down in the hole there underneath the mast, because that's what we're gonna probably have to do, is rebuild the step down in there. All right, here we go. Well, I think we're about to get started here. We got this big bad boy. Let's go talk to the guy. All right, well, we got to disconnect this line that goes from the mizzen mast to the main mast, and that's this guy's going up in this bosun chair. Looks a little sketchy. So I'm ready in here. I'm just gonna make sure they don't kink up. Woo! Doggies. We got it. That was, wow. We got a very steep angle in here. Okay.
Yeah. It's a really steep angle.
He needs to go further away.
It sounds like it a little bit. I think, yeah, we're touching here and here.
You need to go further away.
Yeah, he's gonna put it back down, and we're gonna readjust.
You got about that much still in the cabin, and you need to take the top further that way. Yep. Have him stop. So we gotta take out the shims because there's not enough room for the wires. The top, if you can come towards me with the top. Yep, this way. A decent amount. Well, it decided to rain a lot and get really windy. The bosun going back up to tape off this thing right there, so it doesn't clang on there. So we would not like that. And the mast is now down here. That was, I gotta say, that was a little seat of the pants there with the weather. And it was going out at the wrong angle and etc, etc. The wires got a little damaged, but I feel like I can fix that. Yep. Oh boy. We got Cree here on the crane, making it happen.